Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Davin Nugraha. I'm a student at University of Widyatama, majoring in Library and Information Science. I'm honored to be able to talk about things related to my major to you guys. I would like to talk today about how effective is Inlislite for librarians in the operation of library. Did you ever know a librarian has to manage a library collection in detail? Let me start by telling you about my experience. According to my experience that I'm a librarian, managing a collection is very difficult. There are lots of things that need to be considered, such as data, characteristic, classification number, according to the types of collection, publisher, author, subject, etc. I have divided my talk into description of Inlislite, characteristic of Inlislite, history about library automation, application of Inlislite, and Inlislite function. Firstly, Inlislite is currently in its third version. Inlislite version 3 is a continuation of the Inlislite library automation application software version 2.1.2. which was built and developed by the Republic of Indonesia National Library since 2011. Inlislite version 3 was developed as an integrated software for library managers to implement library automation as well as develop digital libraries or manage and serve digital collection. Secondly, let's move on the characteristic of Inlislite. First, follow the MARC or MARC machine readable cataloging metadata standard in the formation of its digital catalog. Second, web-based application software which in operation uses an internet browser application that is commonly used to browse information on the internet. Third, is enough to install the Inlislite software on one computer that functions as a database or server, workstation, local area network, wide area network, and the internet. And the last is free to use or freeware and open source. Thirdly, let me now turn to history of library automation. In 1960, the early days of library automation, at that time, several libraries in the United States experimented with computer in the library. In 1968, the paper catalog was replaced by an electronic called that Online Public Access Catalog or OPAC. In 1994, National Library of Indonesia started to implement OPAC as library automation for processing and searching collection. In relation to Inlislite, Online Public Access Catalog or OPAC, it's the first electronic idea that met Inlislite. The next point is about application of Inlislite. 1. Acquisition. 2. Cataloging or making bibliographic description. 3. Inclusion of digital content. 4. Information retrieval. 5. Member service. 6. Circulation service transaction. 7. Controlling to the stock of existing collection. 8. Recording library visitor. 9. Formation of reports and collection security system, for example, RFID gates or magnetic sensors. The last point or topic is about Inlislite functions. I would like to focus on function because we can see the real difference between using manual and Inlislite software. 1. Assist in the development of library automation throughout Indonesia. 2. Complete national collection data in library catalog and Indonesian national bibliography by utilizing information. 3. Assisting the establishment of regional master catalog and regional bibliographies organized by provincial public libraries and their partners at the district level, organized by provincial public libraries and their partners at district by utilizing information and communication technology. And the last, as a digital library tool to manage full text and multimedia collection and assist in the establishment of electronic catalog based on MARC, M-A-R-C, based electronic catalog for Indonesia, Indo-MARC, Indo-M-A-R-C. Okay, That's bring me to the end of my talk. Before I stop, let me just give my opinion about the current existence of Inlislite. Inlislite makes it easier for librarians to process books compared to the manual method, which takes a lot of time. Thanks for everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.